Huh.
Okay, folks, it's Dane from Jonah Guitars, and we got a little bit of a different thing going on this time. So introduce yourself.
Hi, my name's Freddie Poindexter. I'm working on my senior project for my high school graduation, and I'm going to be working on a Barbarian copy, which is a modification of a Gibson SG. So
what do we do so far, Freddie?
we just sketched it out and we're tracing the shape.
Okay, so we traced an SG that we had on site, and then going to kind of sketch in the modification. So here's a picture of kind of what we're shooting for. That's upside down, of course. Maybe, I don't know, you building a left-hander?
No.
Okay. All right, so this is just the opener, and this is kind of, it's kind of hard to see here, but this is what we've got sketched out so far. We, meaning Freddie. And I'm going to go plane some wood, and Freddie's going to keep sketching away here, so we'll keep you posted. All right, so we're just going to get up to speed on Freddie and his project here. Go ahead and tell us what you did so far.
We just finished tracing out the final modifications to the body shape, and then now we're going to cut out like the little sample template that we're going to lay over the body, and then from there we'll catch up with you guys.
Trace it out and on the body, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you're going to flip that. You did a half a profile.
Yeah.
And you're going to flip it. And the other horn's longer, but you're just going to modify that by hand, draw it in by hand when you get there.
Match it both.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. And you're heading to the bandsaw, and you're going to do some bandsaw work.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm going to turn the camera off so I can catch fingers as they're flying. Okay. Catch what you can right here, right? And as far as don't forget your stinger there, though. Some of that you're just going to have to work down with a hand block because you don't have the right access. Okay, so you saw Freddie on the machines, the spindle sander and the disc sander, and now he's hand sanding some of the areas that he couldn't quite get to on the machines. He's using the edge of the bench to keep the block square, and then just sanding away at it. So he's finishing up the pattern, and then we'll cut the body blank. We'll rough saw the body blank stuff out. Get it ready to go. Hey guys, Freddie's back. He's going to tell you how we got to this far.
Alright, so I just finished sanding this pattern that we cut out to match up both sides of these, and then we trace it out onto the piece of wood that we'll be cutting out for the body, and then we'll cut it in half, and then these two will match up, forming the body, and then we'll work from there.
Okay. And what kind of finish are you going to put on this?
Just a matte black finish.
Matte black finish, so we're not going to get all worried about grain matching or book matching these pieces of wood.
What kind of wood is it?
You know, I think it's locust. It's what I think it is. I'm not 100% positive. It's been sitting here a very long time, and But a mandolin builder buddy of mine gave me this piece of wood. So, yeah.
Nice.
Anyway.
Yep.
Your price is right, huh, Freddie?
Yeah.
Yeah, there we go.